Hello my dear students, hope you are all fine, and this is the unit 6 gravitation. Already I have taught you two of the topics in the online class, and the next topic is gravitational potential energy near the surface of the earth. Okay, already we studied what is gravitational potential energy, the work done to bring or move that is work done to move a mass from one position to the other position. Okay, ஒரு பொசிஷனில் கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு மாஸை நம்ம வந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு அதை எடுக்கிறதுக்கு கொடுக்குற ஒர்க் தான் பொட்டென்ஷியல் எனர்ஜி. ஓகே, now we are going to see gravitational potential energy near the surface of the earth. This is the earth, okay, whose radius we are taking it as RE. Okay, RE is the radius of the earth, and an object of mass small m which is at a distance h from the surface. Surface is the h in the distance la or object irukku. Okay, and that object is at a distance r from the origin. That means at the center la or in the distance la irukku. So now we are going to calculate the gravitational potential energy. So we have formula gravitational potential energy is minus g m1 m2 by r. Okay, so what is m1 here? Mass of earth. This is earth, this is another object. Okay, that is which is nearer to the earth's surface. So this is me. So this is small m. So I can write minus g m by what is r? This r is equal to what? Re plus h. Okay, so now what we are going to do is this Re. Okay, this Re is much less than, okay, this Re this height h is அதாவது இந்த height hங்கிறது இந்த radius விட ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கு அப்படினு எடுத்துக்கலாம். And we are modifying this equation. So take Re outside the bracket. Okay, take Re as common. So Re common எடுக்கும்போது 1 plus h by Re அப்படின்னு கிடைக்கும். Okay, so take this term to the numerator. So this becomes minus g mem by Re into 1 plus h by Re the whole power minus 1. Okay, so using binomial theorem, okay, using binomial theorem we can expand this 1 plus x power minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube, like that it will be going on. So we are taking only the two terms and neglecting the higher order terms. Okay, so when you apply here you will get u equal to, okay, you will get u is equal to, yes, this is minus g mem by Re into first two terms. We are taking only first two term. This is x, right? So 1 minus h by Re. This becomes 1 minus h by Re. Then split it into two terms. Okay, split this term into two terms. You will be getting u equal to minus g mem by Re, okay, into 1. That is this one, plus g mem h by, okay, Re square. Okay, so this is what we have obtained. Okay, this is what we have obtained. That is one term we have taken, or we can take it as, let it be like this. So this is what you have got the gravitational potential energy. And we know that for mass m on the earth's surface, okay, if the mass m on the earth's surface la irundhuchu appadina, if it is if the mass m on the earth's surface, we know that, we also know that the gravitational constant, okay, we know that the gravitational constant, okay, g is equal to, this is gravitational constant, that is equal to g me by r square. Okay, so this is the gravitational constant, g me by r square. Here we can take it as Re square. Okay, now we can substitute in this equation. Okay, now let us substitute in this equation. So we know this is a constant, okay, g me by Re square, that is equal to g. And in the equation la pathina unku g me by r irukku. So what can I do? G me by r. What is g me by r? R mattum inga vechirundinga idu oru r inga vandirum illaya. So g into r, you will get it as g into r. So substitute that in this equation, substitute this value. Instead of GME by RE, you can substitute GRE. So this becomes, here already there is some M into GRE. Okay, the minus of minus plus, this is also what, GRE into H by RE. Okay, M is also there. Okay, so you can get minus MGRE, this RE and RE get cancelled, and you will get the equation as, okay, the next step of this equation is U is equal to minus MGRE, okay, plus MGH, minus MGRE plus MGH. So this is the equation you are getting. This is the potential energy near the surface of the earth. This is the potential energy near the surface of the earth. Understood? So first you want to write out the potential energy formula. In that you have to hear our height is, okay, our radius is how much அப்படிங்கிறத பார்க்கணும். எவ்வளோ டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இது ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இங்கே இருக்குது, ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இங்கே இருக்குன்னா ரெண்டு கடையில் இருக்கிற டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு நத்திங் பட் ஆர்இ ப்ளஸ் ஹெச். அதுதான் இங்கே சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி ஆர்இயை வெளியில் எடுத்துருக்கோம், மேலே கொண்டு போகிறோம், பைனாமியல் தியரம் அப்ளை பண்ணி ஹையர் ஆர்டர் டேர்மை நெக்லெக்ட் பண்ணுறோம். வில் பி கெட்டிங் லைக் திஸ். ஸோ யூ வாண்ட் டு நோ திஸ் கிராவிடேஷனல் கான்ஸ்டன்ட், தட் இஸ் GME by RE square. Substitute and finally you will get the that. Okay, suppose this is the potential energy. Suppose I am taking an object from இங்க இருக்கிற height h1 ல இருக்கிற object h2 ங்கிற height க்கு எடுக்கணும். சரியா? So what I will do, I will take the potential energy, that is minus, you can see this term is independent of height. இது height depend பண்ணியே இல்லை, it is independent of height. Okay, suppose if I have to take it from height, okay, இந்த height h1 ல ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்குது, அதை நான் இங்கே எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் பொட்டென்ஷியல் எனர்ஜி தேவைப்படும் இல்லையா? அதை ஒரு பொசிஷன்லேருந்து இன்னொரு பொசிஷன் மாற்றுறதுக்கு we need potential energy, right? So that potential energy we are going to calculate, that is minus mgRe. இந்த height ஃபஸ்ட்டு at h1, potential energy h1 ல இருக்கும்போது எவ்வளோ இருக்குது அப்படின்னா mgh1. okay, similarly, so potential energy at H2, okay, potential energy at H2 it is equal to minus mgRe, since the first term doesn't depends on height, this is H2. Okay, then the next one, difference in potential. இந்த ரெண்டு, அதாவது இந்த height H1 லேருந்து H2 க்கு கொண்டு போகிறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ potential difference இருக்கோ அதுதான் நம்ம பண்ண work, அதுதான் potential energy. Difference in potential equal to, you have to subtract these two. Okay, so when you subtract this, இது plus ஆயிடும், இது minus ஆயிடும் இல்லையா? So what happens, or when you add it up, okay, so actually what happens means, yes, you just subtract it, so இது cancel ஆயிடும், இது 0 ஆயிடும், this one mgh1 minus mgh2, okay, that is equal to mg into h1 minus h2. okay, suppose இந்த h2ங்கிற height, இது h2ங்கிற height வந்து infinity, நான் இங்கேருந்து எடுத்து எங்கேயோ கொண்டு போகிறேன், இன்ஃபினிட்டிக்கு கொண்டு போகிறேன் அப்படின்னா h2 என்ன ஆகிடும், when it is infinity, okay, I am taking it to infinity, this term becomes h2 வந்து என்ன ஆகிடும்னா it will be 0. okay, so my potential energy is mgh. okay, simply I can say the potential energy near the surface of the earth is mgh. புரியுதா? so இந்த டேர்முக்கு இதில் எந்த வேலையுமே இல்லை, because it doesn't depends upon the height. புரியுதா? so this is about the gravitational potential energy near the surface of the earth. thank you.